Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You need an iPhone running iOS 14 or later. Once confirmed, open Settings and go straight to Accessibility. Tap Touch, then back tap to start. Choose whether you want double tap or triple tap to trigger actions. Make that decision now because it determines the rest of the setup. You're choosing the input that your phone will listen for. Pick the one you'll reliably hit. Once done, you'll see a long list of actions to map. Don't skip the next slide, where we pick the actual functions. With double or triple tap selected, scroll the actions list and pick one. System features are immediate, like Screenshot or Control Center. If you need complex behavior, choose shortcuts to run automations you built in the Shortcuts app. This is why back tap is powerful. Make sure to test the mapping by tapping the back. If it doesn't register, return and try the other tap option. Once you've confirmed the action fires reliably, move to final calibration and troubleshooting in the last slide. Finish by calibrating where you tap. Test center and near edges, and repeat with your case on because material affects sensing. If it's inconsistent, swap between double and triple tap to see which is most reliable for your grip. Make sure to update iOS and restart the phone if gestures stop working. Removing a bulky case often fixes missed taps. If problems persist, toggle accessibility settings off and on, then reassign the action. This clears glitches and gets back tap running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.